I'm here to rant, but it's subtle rant about motherhood. You see this motherhood thing. I've been a mom for the past 9 years. After I gave back to Chibuzo, that which was 20th August 2016. Sometimes I ask myself, am I doing well? Am I doing enough? Am I doing too much? Am I underperforming as a mom? But sometimes I pat myself at the back and say, Chidinma, you're doing well. Being a mother is a lot of work. You juggle a lot of things. You're multitasking at the same time. I'm doing pretty well. I have 2 of them, 2 children, 9 years and 6 years old. And of course, you know what it means to nurture a child from the cradle till this very moment. Mothers in the house, why I'm saying this because the children has been on 1 week midterm break and they'll be going back to school. Please take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on yourself. Even my mom that has been a mom for decades, she's still figuring it out. We all as mothers are still figuring it out. This week, relax, take it easy on yourself. At least go for spa and enjoy your week. I love you.